Well, hello everybody! Welcome to my channel. Tara, luto tayo.
La 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 la. Chopping veggies on the board, tears do fall, it's onion.
So today we are gonna cook binagoongang baboy or baboy na may bagoong. I am a native of Bicol, so anything that has gata is something that I love. So, tara, luto tayo. Garlic. So, gisahin lang natin to sa mantika. 4 tablespoon ng garlic. Tingnan natin yung baboy. Lagyan na natin yung kamatis. Two tablespoon ng lulas pag-goong. 5 tablespoon muna. 5 tablespoon. 1, 2. But we used sukang paumbong. 4 and 5. Siling haba. Coconut cream. So, lagay na natin talong. This is fried talong. Tara, tikman natin. Ang sarap talaga ng lulas bagoong. You have to try it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And pa-comment naman kung saan kayo nanonood para malaman namin kung hanggang saan umabot itong video na to. See you sa next vlog!